Welcome to another episode of the Daily Chronicles. I'm Zanz. We don't have time to waste. With no further ado,
If you fall in content, and then content, yeah,
The Hanses won't take you serious. They won't take you serious.
I mean, hands won't take you serious. How would you cabbage? How would you mhodu? How would you spinach? Ujain.
Jamara.
Press ala, wehlisa handbrake. Fakuthi. Ngithi fakuthi wena ufaka unyako. Fakuthi man sit. Hamba phambili. Yeah, kuthi, yeka kanje. Hey, hamba. Ngiyadela ibreak.
Hey! Atasa! 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 Atasa!
Ntwana masila kana phansi ntwana kunabantwana mfana
Wasewashaya
ngithi mfana ngimtshintshe ngithi yini ntwana ngimtshintshe sawona Sam besicela uMadlindi I mean siyabonga yo ish
Oya kaya ludo.
ngitsho mangala ke le bola ya.
Lang.
Ene ke splash
Come out to tlhabile.
Some of you won't mind attending this church.
Pigeon, I'm still asking, like, how many spoons of sugar did you put in a hot chocolate?
It's not hot chocolate,
What is it?
coffee.
Yes, how many spoons of sugar did you put in your coffee?
Daddy, I'm mixing it.
I know you're mixing it. How many spoons of sugar did you put in there?
Dad,
How many spoons of sugar did you put in there?
Daddy, Daddy, I'm still fine.
I'm fine, but I want to know how many spoons of sugar did you put in there? I am fine, but I want to know how many spoons of sugar did you put in a hot chocolate?
Which one?
Mohammed! Imam Buto!
Nah, I don't have a problem with being an ice boy, ne? But I have one concern.
What's your concern?
Like when do we eat? When is it time for eating? Because we've been on the road, my friend, and we've never stopped.
Time for eating.
Yes, my friend. Like hey, putting silent, like when now go to
Our lunch will be at 2.
2.
Yeah, 2 o'clock. 2
for
o'clock.
11. No, my friend, I haven't eaten.
Our lunch is at 2. You ask me a question, I'm answering you.
My friend, 2.
Then now
2 o'clock is too late, my friend. Cannot lunch. Nah, I know it. Let's talk about
let's talk about work, not lunch. Let's talk about work now. Now your work today, I'm not taking my calls. You are the one who's taking my calls for today.
Huh?
Today, when our phone, phone
From anyone.
from anyone. Today, my phone is gonna be with you. You'll be the one who around the whole the phone and everything.
Oh, no, I don't.
I get what Ice Boy PA. Then Ice Boy PA, you handle my phone. Let's go. Handle my phone.
Handle your phone?
Yes.
Yeah.
Today you handle my phone. You are an Ice Boy PA. Let's go.
I didn't sign up for this. I didn't sign up for this. Now.
What the hell? Oh. Jesus, what the fuck is this? What in the hell is this? Are you saying what? Oh my God. No, he promised 70 promise. Hi, boo.
Ngicela ngitshele ma boyfriend enekele kungiphaphela mina. Hello Mazinga Wings asho mina. Hello Mazinga Wings. Ngabo ngiphaphela mina. Ngize ngena nasemandini.
When we are on the queue to pay for our groceries, can you please give us space? Give me space. Because you are breathing down my neck here. You are steaming my corpus luteum. Ne? And my problem is that mang shifter now yang landel. Mang shifter now yang landel. Bro, I'm shifting to show you to give me space. Why are you following? And you are here. That my problem is that you are even breathing heavy. You are like on my neck. Bro, shifter, give me space, Satan.
Ya boat.
Boat.
Atitimela boat.
Kazizmela.
Siku rin'wana.
Katitimeta.
Ay, ntakuba ngofu ya wena.
Awe.
Hawe.
Madala.
N'wana madala.
Ugijimile.
N'wana mhani. Maseve.
Udlili.
Maseve.
Unweshindere.
Maseve wa mina.
Awe.
Yawe.
Anta kukoka.
Ule kunyini.
Enjoy. Just do it. Just do it, my sister. Hello. You can put your feet together. You can put your feet together. Hello. You can put your feet together. Then hold your shoulder.
You can do it.
Hold your shoulders.
You can do it.
Hold your shoulders. Then hold your shoulders. Lay back. Lay back. Number one. Hold your shoulders tight.
Lay back. No, now.
Ready?
Ready.
3, 2, 1, guys. Wait.
You know, they're like about 2 G's right there, nigga. And $50 in the astral paint. You got that one that like 1 feet ain't really like, you know, big, but hey, I fucks with that shit right there. I wear this to work the time, you know what I mean? I like 1.7 in this bitch, you know what I'm trying to say? It's like about 3.7 in this bitch, so you better know the fucking whole drill out of it, nigga. That's 8.3 for your pussy ass. I did a check when I get out the fucking crate, nigga. I used to be a fucking ugly ass nigga. Everybody laughing at me, say I ain't clean or no bullshit. Look at how fucking white this t-shirt is, nigga. Look how fucking white this shit is, nigga. Watch, you want to see the stitching on the collar? You better watch that fucking shit. I'll show you the whole fucking, nah, you know, it's cool, man.
Damko. Mmopo se kena go bageteng. Kere mmopo se tsena go bageteng. Nna ke tlhalohanye. Au mmopo thele pompini. Uthele pompini. Akuna bagete lapha ngaphandle. Akuna bagete lapha ngaphandle. Aho ka mohae ka mo koro bui ka mkocho.
Le di sietse di tlhago tsa lena. Ntsha di tlhago tsa gago ka pela mo o wa mpotso di pie.
Whose car is this? Huh? Whose car is this? Huh? It's your car.
Why? Why take photo?
No.
No, why you take video?
Whose car is this?
Yeah?
Whose car is this?
Why you take the video?
I want to know whose car is this.
I want to know why you take the video.
That's your car, this one.
I will take you to court, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes, you can take me to court.
Okay.
Yes.
What's your name?
Whose car is this?
What's your name?
Me, Gilbert.
Gilbert.
Yes.
Okay.
Whose car is this?
No, I wanted to know because I want to because why
It's your car, this one.
I wanted to know. Me, I was having permission
Where?
from the RCC and the CPA.
Ah, my friend, this is not your car.
Yeah? Why you make it?
I want to take this video and put it to TikTok. Then the people can see you.
Yeah?
Yes, you stole the car.
I'm not stealing it.
Whose disguise is it? Where's the
I was
papers?
asking the people for RCC and CPA.
Give us the papers for this car.
I tell. I was asking the people for RCCA and CPA.
Yes, my friend. Thank you.
Don't know where.
No.
Hey yo, it's your boy Peanut. Yes, Peanut. Who's that Peanut? Just. Akaya, mina manya wanna say. Hey yo, what up, everybody? It's your boy Almighty Goes QB. Hey, into this video, I'm about to buy my boy a Lamborghini. These are the keys. I'm about to surprise him. Anyway, Sneaker has dropped a new banger, 50% off. We have the new Balenciagas, La Vita Loga, Jetez-vous. You know what's going on, everybody? We're going to the topest level. I'm Nisima. YouTube, it's a favorite. It's a favorite, Cassie boy. And we're dropping in the tube, cause somebody gotta do it. Hey, damn, I miss La Pita, yo.
Ziad, what year you born in?
1992.
Stay.
What year were you born in?
I was born 2005.
Stefan. What year were you born in?
2007.
Mr. David. Yes, what year were you born in?
1975.
Ratik, what year were you born in?
2010.
Hey, well, there's more. What do you mean? My boy, you're still going. Well, there's a compound sentence. You got a compound sentence for age, my boy.
Nna ke bolela le re kotse ke ya lora a ke lora nna le ya bona re go direga mo pula ene le di percent tse golo ke re bona le bo fertility ba stakile mona ke re bona mo bona hey ka go bifile ba gala bifi nna ke ya le botsa ke re ha pula ya na di millimeter ene le di metara hey
Ish, Wi-Fi.
That's it. I don't know Wi-Fi.
Nah, I don't, bro.
I must right now we are in the village. Yeah. The Pundas. We're in the Pundas. Yeah, man, I'm so how we supposed to connect to the internet via the Holy Spirit. As my prayers. But don't worry, Swara. You can connect to me.
Aware.
It seems like his data is depleted like his personality. Yeah, fast, pura.
I love you. Aso motho wa ka ke motho wa gago ke re I love you. I love you too. Witse nna where is the day wa ka mpotsang where is the day